We're gonna do some quick maintenance on the Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a 2023 model. So it's a 020 synthetic oil, 0W20. So I'm just gonna open this now. Just let it breathe. So this is an access panel for the oil filter, and this is for the oil bolts. So for this, we're gonna use a special little trim tool, which we got right here, or you can use a flathead, but I'm gonna use this guy. So just like that. Yeah, the skills, I'm doing this with one hand. Yeah, it's a little cheaper to do it on your own now because the free oil changes have expired, and so I'm gonna do it myself now. The dealership wants like $110, so I spent about $40 in oil and then $10 for the filter, so we're looking at $50. So we're saving about $60. So this is gonna be a 10 millimeter, which I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna set the phone down. So it should be quantity 2, 1 and 2. So we got the panels off. That's the oil filter, and here's the bolts. It looks like it's a little wet. Maybe the dealership last time did not swap out the damn. Excuse my language. Did not swap out the washer. So no bueno on their end. Shame on you, Waco Hyundai. 5/16 Allen to take this off. The oil filter, and of course something to catch it. So we're doing it this way. All right, so we're letting her drain out. So we did it this way, and then we're gonna remove the housing to get to the filter. Once we get that out, and then we'll move over to take off the bolt. Cool. She's out. So just so you guys are aware, it's a 1 1/16 socket. That's what got that out. All right, so this is gonna be a 17 millimeter. Boom, nice. So if you look at here, there's like a little tab right there. We're gonna replace that seal. We're gonna put a new one. So there's a little tab right there. I'm gonna use a little big tool to do it. So the new seal's installed. The tab facing up. So now we're gonna get the filter until it clicks. All right, it's not falling off, so it clicked. And then we're gonna reinstall this back on. All right, so now that we have this on, it was 1 1/16. Now we're gonna put the new bolt, the new O-ring that was supplied with the oil filter kit, and this is a 5/16 Allen. All right, perfect. You made it this far. Now it's the most important step before you turn on the engine. You must top her off with some fresh oil, and please refer to your owner's manual. And this video is a 2023 Santa Fe 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, and this model takes 6.1 quarts of oil. Once you top her off with some fresh oil, go ahead and turn her on and let it run for a little bit. Then you can shut her off, or you can keep the engine running and then check the dipstick and check your levels. And then if you need to top her off a little bit more, you feel free to add a little bit more oil. Well, that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Much appreciated. You guys have a blessed day.